Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a dash cam that delivers sharp clarity, smart features, and full driving protection. The REDTIGER front-rear dash cam. Known for its crisp 4K front camera, wide-angle rear coverage, and reliable performance day or night, this dash cam is built for drivers who want peace of mind on every trip. Let's dive into what makes the REDTIGER one of the most popular choices for complete on-road security. 4K 1080p dual recording. This dash cam, which records video of up to Ultra HD 4K, 3840 2160p, FHD 1080p resolutions. It helps you to read the key details like road signs, vehicle number plates, etc. To reduce the blind areas, it has the front wide angle of 170 degree and rear wide angle of 140 degree. This helps you during unexpected circumstances like collision to retain and present evidence. Superior night vision. This dash cam driving recorder adopts an excellent optical lens with an ultra-large f1.5 aperture and 6 layers, and is equipped with HDR/WDR technology to capture key details clearly under low light conditions. Wi-Fi/smart app control. You just need to connect the dash cam to your smartphone app via Wi-Fi, and then you can use the REDTIGER Cam app to view, playback, and manage the dash cam on your iOS or Android devices. You can also download and edit recordings in the REDTIGER Cam app. By just one click you can share your travel scenery and wonderful moments with your friends and family. Dash cam with GPS. This dash cam has a built-in GPS and records the driving route, real-time speed, location, etc. You can track on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with our Windows and Mac GPSPlayer, which will provide further additional evidence if an accident occurs. Super aftersales. Our greatest pursuit is to satisfy the needs of consumers. This dash cam is backed by full 18-month assurance and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Please note, the car charger needs to be connected to the car's cigarette lighter. If your car doesn't have a cigarette lighter. The REDTIGER dash cam front rear. With excellent image quality, dual-channel coverage, and essential safety features, it's a powerful upgrade for any vehicle. The dash cam captures and records footage at 1 frame per second to conserve memory, allowing for continuous surveillance of a parked vehicle. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.